Welcome to the Terrace Garden Secrets.
Have you ever wondered how easy it is to grow fenugreek leaves at home? In this video, I am going to show you a complete life cycle of fenugreek seeds, how to grow in the terrace. Hi, I am Kiran, your terrace garden expert. Welcome to my channel, Terrace Gardening Secrets. From a tiny seeds to a healthy harvest, the best part is you don't need a big garden. You just need a small containers or a grow bag and you can just start growing the fenugreek seeds at home. So let's start with the seeds. Fenugreek seeds are easily available in the grocery stores or garden shops. Choose a healthy seed for better germination. Let's soak the fenugreek seeds in the water for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. This helps to soften the seed coat and promoting germination. After the fenugreek seeds have germinated, they should be kept in a cool, shaded area with good air circulation. The sprouts should be rinsed with cool water and drained several times a day to prevent mold and ensure they remain moist. It is important to note that fenugreek seeds can take anywhere from 1 to 3 days to germinate, and they are ready to eat within a few days after sprouting. They are packed with several health benefits as well. For terrace gardening, you can use grow bags, trays or simple pots. Fenugreek grows well even in the shallow containers. For the soil mix, you can watch my another video where I prepare universal soil mixture for all the vegetables and fruits. So now it's time to sow the seeds. Sprinkle the soaked fenugreek seeds evenly across the soil surface. There is no need to plant them deep. Just light cover them with a thin layer of soil or coco peat. After sowing, gently water the soil using a spray or a water can. So let's spread across the surface now. Just we are spreading it, and later we will cover with a thin layer of coco peat or a mixture of vermicompost as well works. So let's completely spread it across. Let's cover it up with the thin layer of mixture of soil and coco peat. So it's just a thin layer which goes on top. No need to sow them deep. Let's cover this up. Now it's time to spray the water gently on the surface. So you can use a water cans or a spray cans just to sprinkle the water on top of the layer, and you're all set to leave it in the semi-shade, and you can just wait for the fenugreek to sprout. Stage. Keep the container in a place where it gets good sunlight. Within 2 to 4 days, you will start seeing tiny green sprouts emerging from the soil. Make sure the soil remains moist but not waterlogged. Here comes the happy harvesting time. So fenugreek leaves are usually ready for harvest in about 20 to 25 days. You can use a scissors to cut the leaves about 1 inch above the soil, or you can harvest completely to prepare for a new batch. So freshly harvested fenugreek batch leaves are perfect for cooking healthy dishes at home. So let's see a simple tips for the better growth. Here are some few simple tips for growing fenugreek successfully on your terrace. Use a well-drained soil. Provide at least 4 hours of sunlight. Water lightly but regularly. Harvest on time for the tender leaves. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more terrace gardening tips. In my next video, I will show you how to grow vegetables easily on your terrace using the soil mix. Happy gardening!